Hey dolls, welcome to my channel. My name is Brandi Rose. I create content on all things beauty, fashion, and behind the scenes of my modeling career. Today, I'm going to be doing a Ipsy bag unbagging for the month of September. I actually did part of this recording a few days ago just because part of my package ended up coming later than all of the different packages with Ipsy bag. I do have the Ipsy Glam bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and the refreshments to unbox. Anywho, let's go ahead and get into this video. So this is the Ipsy Glam bag, the basic one. This is the first option you get. This package, this cute little bag, I feel like it's more towards the back to school since, you know, September, all the kids are going back to school type of deal. Let's see what it says in here. It pretty much says very similar to what it says in the other bags as well. First up, I have the Araceli. This is a gel pencil eyeliner in the color gold. I do love to do swatches on here, so let's see. That's how it looks. Color gold. I don't know. I feel like I would use it for more of like a goddess look, not for like a back to school. But we can figure something out with that. I feel like I can, you know, make that work. The next item I got is a Nourishing Curl Jam. It is from the company Eden. Yeah, Body Works. I personally don't like receiving hair products from Ipsy just because I usually never use them. It is always good to try something new, but I really don't. I prefer just receiving makeup and fragrance, maybe some skincare products. I'm not really keen on receiving skincare products either. I prefer receiving just makeup and fragrances just because that's something I can be versatile with and, you know, switch up a little bit. Anywho, next product. Ooh, next I have, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Mini Lipstick in Dead Roses. Okay, and this is the color. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, I love colors like this because they are very mauve and perfect for fall, being right around the corner or pretty much approaching us very quickly. Perfect. I can definitely use that for many different looks for this upcoming season. Okay, this is the Orza Champagne Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. I don't understand why they make these things so hard to get into. You know, us beauty people got long nails because we're dramatic like that, and that's just what we like. I don't understand why you gotta do this extensive packaging. Ain't nobody about to, it's going to me. It's not gonna get stolen. It's going to the right person, and it's in multiple bags. What it looks like. Packaging like this gives me like the old school like Elf Cosmetics, and nothing's wrong with Elf Cosmetics. I love them as far as like eyeliners and different little stuff like that, but it's just like, I don't know, packaging like this, it's convenient for traveling because I'm not gonna lie, I do use this for traveling, little packaging like this, but then it's like all shimmers. That's what I don't like, so I'm gonna have to pack multiple palettes in order to get the look, you know, that I would have if I was at home. Let's do some swatches. I'm just gonna do like, ooh, okay, that's cute. Let's see what this pink look like. That pink ain't really show up like that. I feel like it looks more like Orgasm, or they tried to look more like Orgasm from NARS and kind of felt. But it's kind of like an iridescent. It's giving off some purple a little bit at the bottom. Dang, I done got my nails in the gold color. However, I really do like how soft this is, just feeling it. Super cute. I'm really not a fan of the other colors in this palette other than the gold one. Yeah, the other colors don't do it for me. This one is like my favorite. This is one of the fragrances, because I did put on there I want to try some fragrances. I'm open to it. Let's see what they got. And this one is from Milk. It's Commodity Milk Fragrance. I don't want to spray it on me because I don't want to smell like it right now. I don't want to smell like anything but clean. Ooh, that was... Oh, okay, hold on. It's a little musky, but it does say it's like musky. Okay, the description says notes of musk, milk, marshmallow, and mahogany gives off warm, cozy vibes and perfect for a night out or in. Yeah, it does. It really does own up to that musk, milk, marshmallow. Like, I'm definitely getting all of that, especially like the musk milk. I don't know if that... I feel like that notes describes something like creamy and smooth, and which this is, but I don't know how I feel about it because when I was first smelling it, it was nice, but then sometimes it reminds me of a fragrance that you spray in the bathroom to keep your bathroom smelling really good. It kind of reminds me of that, and then it's not, I guess because all the musk is probably not doing it for me, but ooh, let me not continue to smell it before I get a headache. And the last thing I got from just the basic glam bag is this, the Bomb and the Beautiful eyeshadow palette. Who does this? Look at this. Really? Come on now. That's a little different. So it says size matters. So reduce your carbon footprint. Please recycle this package. And then they have the colors cut, green screen, autograph, makeup artist, roll credits, red carpet, chick flick, and cliffhanger. I'm gonna just swatch like one of them, one of the end ones, so I don't dig into this palette. What's that color? Oh, I do like that. That's definitely a really good transition color. Oh yes, loving it. This palette is one of those smoother buildable palettes where they can pretty much work with anything or any other palettes, and you can pretty much use just that by itself because it does have some shimmers in it, such as the autograph, the red carpet, the roll credits, green screen. You got your shimmers, and you got your transition colors, and if you want to go smoky, you got a dark color. I feel like this is gonna be a great travel palette. Now let me get into what I left out in the last video, because I ended up recording and some of this did not get saved for some reason. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I really just have one thing to show you. I'm gonna show you everything out of the bag, but you're gonna see me in a different look in the next clip after I show you this eyeliner, just because I have to record this in 2 days. This is the Uma Cleopatra liquid eyeliner. It is a very pigmented, very strong. I'm just gonna show you how it swatches real quick. It's very soft and it comes on very dark. So usually, since I tried this one already, it comes on very matte. Well, it comes on very shiny, but then after a while of letting it dry, it's gonna show very matte and dark and perfect. So, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one. I feel like this is gonna come off a little pink, and it is. This is how that looks. It's kind of mauvey, but not for my skin tone. I just feel like it needs to be a little bit darker, but it's definitely something that I can work with, being like what the lipstick I'm wearing now, or lip gloss and lipstick I'm wearing now. I always wear like a good brown lip liner, and then it makes, any bright color mutilated so it can work with my skin tone. That's what we shall do. Okay, next I have the Ballet Balm Lemon and Black Pepper lip balm. They make these things so hard to open. So this is the cute little packaging. Just want you to see how it rubs on the skin. It has an interesting texture. It's not buttery. It is kind of soft, but I don't know, it's kind of complicated. It definitely smells like lemon and black pepper for sure, and it's very strong, but I do like the way it smells because it smells clean. Anything lemon smells clean. Last but not least, we have IL Makeage. I might be butchering that name. I'm just going to put it at the bottom of the screen. This is Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimension Eye Color. So it's just like a little cute little palette. I'm not gonna lie, not really feeling these colors. These colors aren't really for me, but you know what? Before I go judging, because this just looks too, bright for me, I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches. So we're gonna start with this one. Okay, very pigmented. I'll do this one right here. It's too ashy. This one. Another shimmer. It could be used. It could be used. Definitely could be used. And then the purple. So yeah, these are the colors from the palette. I'm not really feeling it. I only like the shimmers. That purple, okay, I mean, I feel like I can work with it for sure. I definitely don't like this color. It's coming off very ashy for me. But the shimmers can work with pretty much, any glam look. The purple can definitely be a crease color for sure. Like I said, I did get two. I got this little refreshment one. This is what it looks like. It says, why settle for basics when you can have refreshment? I think this came as a free gift actually for signing up with them, so this bag is super freaking cute. It says, show us you get funky. Why doesn't love a little solo party? Share your proudest, quirkiest, glammest me time moments with hashtag refreshments party at my refreshment. This is so cute, and they got a bunch of little stickers on here. This one says, get ready to jazz things up, welcome to the party for one. Then it just goes through like skincare stuff. Basically it's talking about glamming up your skincare and let's not make skincare look boring anymore, things like that. Yeah, I think this was a free gift with me re-signing up. This is some refreshments cleansing wipes. Definitely love to have these because it makes it easier to take off my makeup. I personally like to, if I have wipes, I'll use my wipes first and then use my cleanser, and then get into my skincare routine that way, and that's how I take off my makeup. This is the Luscious hand cream in citrus spritz. It's very soft on my hands for sure. The citrus, I'm really not a fan of citrus smells, and this falls into that category. It's not too strong, it's subtle, but I still, me personally, I just don't like citrus smells. It's just not my thing. I don't know what it is about citrus. So that concludes my Ipsy bag of September. Thank you dolls for staying tuned to the end of the video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Drop in the comments down below what did you receive in your September Ipsy bag, and if you have any suggestions, any videos you request me to do, just drop in the comments below. Can't wait to see you till next time.